Get it, Brooke! Get it, Brooke! Get it, Brooke!
Kicking it, Jennifer.
Get it in, Brooke! Yay! Brooke! Awesome goal. I got it all on tape.
Go that way, okay?
Go, Brooke! Go, Brooke! Go, Brookie! Yay! Number 3! 3 goals! Yay!
That's his job.
Go, Brooke! Yay! Good job, Brooke. Good job, Kyler. Yeah, baby. Woo. Go, Brooke. Yay! Oh my goodness. Yay! Good job. Number 8. Go, Brookie! Go, Brookie!
Angelina, go get the ball. No pushing, no pushing.
Yay!
Okay, guys, let's go. You guys doing a good job, okay?
Oh, sweetie.
Come on, Angelina, you're doing a good job.
Woo!
Go, get the ball, Angie.
Turn it.
Yay!
Game's over.
Yay! Woo-hoo! Brookie, look at me. Good job. How many goals did you have?
5.
10. You had 10 goals. That was your best game ever. You look at the camera.
Yep, there it is.
See the camera?
Yep.
Is Daddy in there?
Yep.
Hi, this is Daddy Paratiaco with Brooke Ann. She just had a massive day today. How many goals did you get today?
10.
10 goals. Oh my goodness, that's a new world record. How did you get so many goals?
I don't know.
You're just the best player out there, right?
Right.
Don't eat the microphone.
Can I have an autograph, please?
Please, no autographs right now. We're in the middle of an interview. Hold the camera still.
Okay.
How do you feel getting so many goals? How does that make you feel?
So happy.
It makes you so happy.
Yeah, because I get to go to the ice cream place when I'm done.
You get to go to the ice cream place when you're done. I think that's
How old are you?
How old are you?
11.
3. You got 10 goals, but you're only 3 years old. And when are you going to be 4?
People, is that amazing? December.
In December. In just a few weeks, you'll be 4 years old.
Yeah, but mommy and brother are videotaping.
Yeah, because you're on the news tonight. You got so many goals. All right. Thank you for your time.
Yeah.